I paint world. It's time to clean these sponges. Do your sponges just like you do your brushes. First, we're going to start with some hot water. Rinse all of that excess paint out of that brush or that sponge, like so. A lot of times, even if those sponges or brushes look clean, they're still not. So I get a little soap. I'm using Dawn, as you can see. They're not paying me for saying that, so using dish soap. Give it a good squeeze. Leave that water running on it. As you can see, that excess paint is still coming out. The ones that's stored up inside the sponges. Just keep the water running on it. Keep squeezing. This video took a little longer than it should have because I'm using one hand. Had I been using two, it'll probably be half the time. I'm trying to show you guys what's going on. The first person POV, this point of view. Give it a good rinse. As you guys can see, there's no more paint coming out. Only the soap from the dish soap. So after you feel like you gave it a good rinse, there's no more soap inside your sponges or your brushes. And then you can, while they're still wet, I like to add alcohol. Because whenever you pull up to an event or a party, you pull out those sponges and those brushes, they're going to have that clean smell to it. Everyone loves a clean smell. Well, everyone that I know. There you have it. Now I have this little bag here. It's net. I place my sponges in there once done. I let them air dry. Let them air dry before I place it back into my face painting kit. When I go to parties, I have 2 bags of these. Because they come in a full circle, but I cut them in half to make double the amount. Also, if I have multiple parties for that day, I have 2 bags to use. Boom. There you go, clean brushes. And actually, after the video, I did rinse the bag off because there was a little paint on there. But that's how it's done. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Appreciate you. See you later.